got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. You like my...
First you take Nivea for men. Don't mess with my man. You rub it all on your face, all on your ears, and your eyes, and your forehead, so your forehead won't be shining. Then you get the primer water, and you spray it, spray it, spray it. You fan it like you in church. Oh, it's hot. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Then you get this pomade infallible, or however you say it. You put it on like you a tribal Indian. Look right here. You put a little stuff on here, put a little missy spot. Ooh, gotta cover you. But then you just shake it all around. You just, oh yeah, I gotta check my phone. I'm sorry. Let me see who just texted me. Wait a minute. You just shake it. You just blend it in, Ooh, gotta get a mustache. Gotta get my mustache. You just blend it in. Blend it. And you just keep patting it. You just keep patting it like you're trying to pat your booty triangle. You gotta make sure you get the mustache line. Get that awesome jawline like you're a man jaw. Gotta dip in the forehead. Just can't mess up my eyebrows. I drew them in. So then you get some tarte. And you put this under your eyes, so if you got them bags, cause you stay up all night in the club making your money, and you put it on there like you a linebacker for the Raiders. Put it on there thick, and you put it in the middle of your nose, so you can get that part of your nose. And then you put it in the middle of your forehead. You gotta give it on there, make it look like you Simba, like when they did, Rafiki did that. And you just, and I have to just keep blending it in. You gotta blend it real nicely. Get your mustache line real good, because you don't want to look like Miss Pearly with that big old wolf stuff she had there. Don't get it in your eyes, because if you get it in your eyes, then you might go blind like Stevie Wonder. Ooh, I forgot my other eye. Then you get this thing with this hole in the middle, and you just do a little pat. You gotta make sure you cover up the black. This is great, ladies, for all y'all that be getting beat up. You can cover up your black eyes real well with this, ladies. And some of you fellas too. Then I gotta get my little pink sponge again. Like I drew my eyebrows on, by the way, ladies. Yeah, I do the top of my eyebrow. I do the top of my eye. I got this brush, by the way, from Chuck E. Cheese. It's made of booty hair. I put it on the end of this stick thing. It's a booty hair brush y'all can buy exclusively at MB Shakin stores. Now make sure you get that beard line. Then you get this white bottle or whatever, and you put this white nut looking stuff on your face. And you blend it in. It blends in real good. I mean, ladies, if you have ever had a black eye, this will just do wonders. And then you get this other stuff. I don't know where this white stuff came in on my nose. Make it look like my nose is stopped up. Ooh, my bad. I dropped some stuff on my lap. I'm sorry. I'm cleaning it up. Make sure I don't mess with my baby today. You get this palette with all these colors on it. It's just blend it in real good. Get them cheekbones. Y'all don't know I used to be a man, so this really blends my cheekbones very well. And then you get this palette and you use these two colors. And you just put this other, see this brush made a nose hair. My other one do the hair, this one made a nose hair. And you just put a little something another on the, you know, above your eyes. And then you get this other palette and you're gonna use this one color, it's blue. And you just lightly dab it up. It almost gives you the black eye look, you know, like I'm wiping my makeup off after the black eye. This is the black eye look, that's what I call it. I'm gonna brand it, the eye continue. And you put it right here in the crease of your eye. Yes, good job. And this brush is made for pubic hair. I have booty hair, nose hair, and this is a pubic hair brush. And you just lightly, just gently, just slap it on there. Dab it, dab. Then you get this blue. And then you dab it up. See how dark this blue is? Maybe what? And you see how I'm leaving just a little bit, you know, on my top of my eyelid to make it look like I missed a spot, but I missed it. Yeah, it's getting dark just like I like it. Now I'm filling in. Remember that spot I told you that I missed? Oh no, I'm not filling it in yet. I'm still dabbing with the bruised eye. Then you get this other stuff in the tube. Then you just start dabbing it on like the corner of your eye. You know, the part like when you wake up in the morning and you're trying to wipe the cold out your eyes, you put it in that. Like that. And then I'm gonna fill in that spot I had told you before. But right there on the top. Kind of look like clay. Tallahassee clay, just not as red. But you gotta do this so methodically. Ooh, let me get some more of this. Ooh, my lines are perfect. Y'all, I made an A in algebra and in geometry. My lines are so perfect. I started to leave this like this, but I figured I look silly, so I'm gonna fill it in. Finish. I do my mouth like this because it made me feel like a fish. My favorite movie is Finding Nemo. Palette, and I use this color right here. I wasn't good at orange, so I don't know. It's like maroon. So I just put it in my little corners just a little bit. Just dab it in the corner. Y'all gonna like this look. Going out on a date, it's perfect. Then you get this blue color in the palette. Hey, I got this palette for JCPenney in the toy section. Yeah, I can get it exclusively there. And you just dab this stuff on there. Y'all see my rainbow makeup? Look. Then I get this blue. I do my lips like this because it's like I'm whistling. Yeah, I know, look. Mouth crooked to the side. Hold on, I gotta get my next product. Hold on. I'm checking my phone. I just got a text message. There we go. Okay. And And then you get this little black liner thing, and you just draw it on there. And then you get your mascara, and you have to. This is my lazy eye, so I started with this eye first. This eye is a little lazier than the other one, but you know, just do your mascara. And then you get your palette, you do this blue that I did before, and you do your bottom lens like that. You just make sure you don't get it in your eyeball, because you don't want a blue eyeball. Your eyeball supposed to be white. So I just keep filling it in, guys. Then you get this blue Crayola marker, and you just continue to fill in on the bottom. Oh, I touched my eye. I'm sorry, guys. Then you get this last stuff that I got from the dollar store, and you just fill in your bottom lash. And then you get this stuff, and you do that little bridge of your nose, and make your nose look less big. That looks like a Jackson. And then you color in this part of your nose. I did my other eye. Y'all didn't see me do it. You just color this in and make your lips look more luscious and stuff. Then I get my booty hair brush, and I just, you just blend your cheeks in. I got Asian in my family that's on my cheek. Gotta make sure your mustache filled in. Then you get the water stuff and you spray it. You spray it. Then you gotta fan it like you. And then you get your lipstick. And you fill your lips in. Yes. And you gloss them up. Yes, to give it that shine like you've been eating church's chicken. Then your lip. You do your lips like this. And then you get you some lashes, some eagle lashes, and you glue them to the T. Not too big, because you don't want to fly away. I put them on with my fingers and the tweezers. These are the same tweezers that I was just plucking my booty hairs with to make that brush I was telling y'all about earlier. Then I do my other one. And voila, here I am. Yes, y'all see my laser eye? That's the one I just blinked.